That's what you said left.
Right.
You said left.
She said right. I have to put it right.
It's right.
She did it for the vlog. Time to manhunt. Where'd she go? You're tagged. Tagged what? We're it. We're it. How the hell? I was watching Netflix. That's not fair. I just saw them. Faith stole Gabby's shoe. I see George. I see George. George, we're gonna get you. Yes! I saw that big jump though. Yeah, baby. Yeah. We got him.
I beg your pardon. Whose car is this?
Some random car. Hey, what is this PDA? Oh my god.
Hey girly, we're gonna catch your boyfriend. George jumped from over here, like that top part down. Got you.
I'm so tired.
Whose shirt is that? Yeah, for real. What the fuck?
Yeah.
We're gonna go running again.
This is whatever. Why?
Grab me! She grabbed my hand so hard. No! Oh shit! I'm waving the white flag here. It's my sock. I stuck the cake. It's right down there. Alright, I'm gonna clean this up.
Y'all see this up, right? Yeah. I did.
I'm stepping over the cake real quick.
I'm amazing. This was my idea.
Mom! A ver, Jo, what do you want? What do you want? Mom. What do you want? You want a chancleta? Te doy la coba. Yo te doy la coba.
Abusive much.
Te la doy.
Abusive.
Te la doy. It's like, why does, Mace is like, why does that sound like my mom? Hey guys, so today was absolutely amazing. We're here.
Eventful.
Yeah, we're gonna watch a movie, chill out. She's spending the night.
Yep, and we're gonna edit everything that we did today.
Today was unbelievable, and thank you for everyone, and thank you guys for sharing that with me, for watching. So I'll see you guys next time. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on my social media that will be linked down below, and I'll see you guys.
Mine.
Yeah, and I will leave her vlog linked down below too. Follow her social media, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.
Bye.